Hey guys, today I have a Temu jewelry haul to share with you guys, and nothing in this video is over $3. So everything you're going to see today is under $3, and I have 17 jewelry pieces that I want to share with you guys. So jewelry is one of the things I really like at Temu just because you can get any kind of color, ring, bracelet, necklace that you want, and it's going to be really affordable. Now, we don't know how long these things are going to last, if they're going to change colors, and how long it's going to be before anything happens to them, but they're really inexpensive at under $3. So I have so much I want to show you today, so let's get started. So the first thing that I want to share with you are these heart-shaped earrings, and I'm not sure if you can see or not, but they're a multicolor. They have a really pretty green and purple look, and then they have the fake diamond look that goes around. So really cute heart shape. I'm going to put them on and let you see what they look like on. Okay, so you can see how these look on. They have just a regular post back. So here's a close-up of just how pretty they are. They're really dainty and just so cute. So they look like they're a little bit more expensive because they're not overwhelming in your face, and they're just that cute heart shape. And these earrings retail for $1.98. And all of the prices that I'm going to be telling you today are based on what I paid for them. I know it fluctuates a little bit, so they're going to be around that same price though. But like I said, everything is under $3. And so these are really cute, just simple heart earrings with a really pretty multicolor crystal inside. So next up are going to be these square earrings, and they are set in, let's see if I can show you the close-up of that. They are set in the rose gold color. It doesn't say that it's a plating. Now, some of these do actually say they're an 18 karat gold plating, but these do not. And they have this really pretty pink, almost to a green color in here. So really nice multicolor crystal. And these are in a square, kind of like a halo set. And let me just show these to you. They have the post back as well on these. And then these have the little clear crystals that are around the colored stone in the middle. So you can kind of see how these look. They're a little bit bigger than the heart ones that I showed you just a minute ago, but here's a close-up of this color, and they are in the square instead of the heart. And the others were silver tone, and these are going to be in that rose gold tone. And these retail for $2.47. Next up, I have a ring that I want to show you, and it is a silver ring, but it says that it is an 18 karat gold plating on this one, and it retails for $2.47 as well. I'm not sure if this is really picking up or not, but it has this pink stone on the inside. So I wanted to kind of just take the light off so you could see maybe a little bit better without it blinding. This is a pink on the inside, and it has more of a rectangle shape to it, and then it has the clear crystals on this side. So I'm going to just put this on and show this to you. So this is a really great deal for these jewelry pieces. I mean, $2.47. This is a really pretty ring. It's in that pretty pink color, and it fits really nicely. It does have a little bit of a thin band on the back of it, but really nice. And it says it's 18 karat gold plated. So next up is going to be these yellow earrings, and they are in that square cut as well. They have the clear crystals that go around it. These are also set in a rose gold color, and these are $2.47 also. So these are similar to that second pair of earrings that I showed you. So, and they have the post back on those as well. So let me just show these to you. So I don't normally wear yellow, so that's why I thought maybe I could showcase the yellow in some jewelry, because yellow is just my color I wear. So really pretty, this yellow color though. It's just happiness and sunshine and brightens your day. And these are $2.47, so you can't beat the price of these. Next up, I have another ring to share with you, and this one I have actually purchased before in just a solid color in the middle, but this one has a pink tone, a really cute pink stone with the clear around it. And then it has a 3-band that has the clear crystals on it, and it is set in that rose gold. This is really neat, you guys, and it's $2.47, so you can't beat that. But really pretty how it has the triple bands, and it just looks more expensive than it really is. I mean, $2.47, you guys. And this one actually says it's 18 karat gold plated in this rose gold color. So really pretty with this pink stone in the middle. Next up is going to be this purple ring. So it has this really beautiful big purple stone in the middle set around with some clear crystals, and you have some clear crystals on the side of this one. It's in the silver tone color, and this is really pretty, guys, but this one is $1.34. I mean, like, you could get 3 of these rings for the price that you would pay for coffee in the morning. This is just so neat. So this one's really pretty, and is one of the wow factors. It's really big, but then it has that thin band beside it. So really nice in this purple color, and you can't beat these prices, you guys. And I have noticed that most of the rings do fit true to size. Another ring to show you, and this one's really pretty in this yellow and reddish orange. Kind of looks like a sunset. It's really pretty. It is set in a yellow gold color, and then it has two small crystals on the side of this one. So nice, you guys. These rings are so good. So you can see this. I love the color of this one. I just think it's something different than anything I have with that yellow and that orange to red variation. I don't know if you guys can see this better if I didn't have the light on, but I'm also going to show this to you without the light and see which way. It kind of shines a little bit, and you can see that color of the inside without the light on. And this one retails for $2.08. Next up is this pendant necklace. So you can kind of see up close. It almost looks like it has a dancing stone on the inside, but it is in that circle, and then it just has those clear crystals on here with a silver chain. So I'm just going to put this on for you guys so you can see, and it does have an adjustment, so you can make this shorter or longer if you want to, and you can kind of see it's got that little lobster clasp on here. So I adjusted this about the midway length, so this can get a little bit shorter or longer than how I have it. And then you can see this is really nice. It looks so good on a V-neck top, or if you had a crew neck, then that would really pop against any color that you had because it is just that clear color. This necklace is just $269. I think this is one of the more expensive pieces, but it's really neat, and it has that delicate chain. You can layer other necklaces with this if you want to, but this was really a cute one. Next up is another ring, and this one has that light pink color. It's almost like a square cut, but then you also have these circle clear crystals on the side of this one, and this one is set in the silver tone. And so you can see how pretty this is. It's got a really nice thick band. You can see how thick this band is on the back of it, so this one's nice. And this one retails for $1.34. Next up is another necklace I want to share with you, and the pendant on this one has a round clear stone, and then it's set in a square with crystals all around it, and then you have the crystals on this top part. It is also set in a chain that is in the silver tone, and it is an adjustable chain with a lobster clasp. I'm going to put this on so you can see it. I adjusted this one probably midway on this one as well, so it can be shorter and it can be longer also. So you got the close-up of that. It's really cute. It hangs very nicely, and it's going to look good and pop against the black or any color because it is colorless, so you can just wear it with anything. I think it looks really nice, and it's a good size. And this one is $1.59. This next necklace is exactly like the last one that I just showed you, but it is in this beautiful blue. So it has the round stone, the color stone in the middle with the clear crystals. The chain is exactly the same. I mean, it's the exact same necklace that I just showed you, except the last one was clear, and this one has the blue color to it, and it's the same price. This one is also $1.59. So this one I actually adjusted to the longest setting just so you could see how long that this one could get. And look at that beautiful blue color. So pretty how it pops against the black. So this one's really nice. If you like that blue tone, that one is a pretty one. Next up is another ring, and this one has a beautiful multicolor. It's got purples and greens in there. It's so pretty, and it's a really big emerald style. Then you've got two clear on the side of this, and this one's set in the silver tone. This one is so pretty, you guys. I got it in the size for my ring finger, but it is really big. You can see how big that is. Probably would have looked a little bit better if I'd have put it for the middle finger, but that's really nice. And this one retails for $1.98. This next ring is really pretty in this purple color, and it gradiates from a dark purple into a lighter purple color. And then it has these really pretty clear crystals on the side set in the silver. And you can see how pretty this is. It has a thicker band, so really nice how that thickness plays against the bigger stone. And you can see how it kind of goes from that darker purple almost into a fuchsia color. Really pretty. This one's $1.98. These next earrings are in this almost like a mother of pearl color. They're very clear and iridescent. They're similar to the other styles that I showed you where they're round in the inside and then they have that square look. So let me put them on and show you what they look like. And they are set in the silver tone. So here's a close-up of these. They are so pretty. You can see just that clear, just beautifulness too. It's got a shimmer that comes along with it. And these are the most expensive thing for $2.98, just right under $3, but really pretty. Next up is this really pretty blue ring, and it's got that square design, and you also have the clear crystals that go along the side in the sterling silver look. It's got a thinner band, but that blue is gorgeous. Almost like a deep blue. I just really can't tell whether this is coming off better with the light or without it. So I'm showing you a couple of them without it, but I think you're really seeing the brilliance of it a little bit better with the light. It's darker than a blue topaz, but lighter than a sapphire. And this one is $1.79. So these next earrings, I'm just not going to try them on for you because they're basically like all the other ones that I've been showing you. They have the same kind of style, but these are set in a sterling silver. And I loved the size of these and kind of like the style. That's why I picked up a few of these in the different colored stones with the different kind of gold, rose gold, and silver look, because I think these are so good and they're under $3. You can just wear these with anything. Let me turn the light off and see if that works a little bit better. So you can see these are multicolored, really pretty, set with the clear crystals around it, but these are going to fit just like the other ones that I showed you. And these are $247, so this is a really great price for these. Next up, I want to show you this bracelet. So pretty. I thought I'd just go ahead and put it on first. So it does have the lobster claw, and then you have a little bit more adjustment. So this would probably be adjustable for, I would say, a 6.5 to an 8-inch wrist. I think it would accommodate most people. I'm usually about a 7.5 or a 7.25. I have a little bit left in this, but this is so pretty. It has these square design in that clear crystal, but then each one of the squares has 4 smaller round crystals. So I'm not sure if I can really let you pick that up or not, but it's absolutely beautiful. And this one retails for $1.61. So this is so pretty. You could wear this with a really nice special occasion dress and look like you paid a lot of money for your bracelet when you really didn't. You paid under $2, but it's really nice and it just really shines so nicely under this light. Just a great bracelet that I think will accommodate any size wrist because it's fully adjustable. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this Temu jewelry haul. Every single one of the pieces that I showed you was under $3. I think that's an amazing price. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.